What's up everyone, it's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. In this video I will be doing a giveaway at the end, so make sure you stick around to find out how to enter. We are officially entering the holiday season with of course now Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas coming up. And this year I will be doing a couple giveaways to show my appreciation for you all continuing to support my channel. So thank you all for that. I'm not sure how many I'll be doing, but I know I'll be doing at least a couple. But this first giveaway that I'm doing for you guys, I've teamed up with the brand Dossier. And if you don't know who they are, they're a fragrance brand that sells fragrances that are inspired by top designer brands and also a couple niche brands. And they were nice enough to send me 2 fragrances to have. And it's funny because the same week that they reached out to me and wanted to partner up, I was telling myself that I was gonna buy a cologne because I was out with a couple friends and one of my friends had on a fragrance and I was like, what smell is that? Like, it smells really good. And he said it was Versace Dylan Blue, and I was telling myself, oh, I gotta get me some Versace Dylan Blue because it smells really good. And lo and behold, the universe worked itself out and sent Dossier to the rescue. I requested for them to send me their inspirational fragrance of Versace Dylan Blue and their inspirational fragrance of one of my all-time favorite brand of cologne, Gucci Guilty. So here they are right here. I got the 2. See, both of the boxes look the same. Their boxes come like this. They look like this. If the camera would focus. Yeah, but it says Dossier right here. And then the box is just like, you know, like a vanilla box. You know, it's like a vanilla box. And then you open it like this. And this is how the inside looks. It says at the top here, iconic scent, designer quality. I could have just read it all at once. Designer scent, iconic scent, designer, oh my gosh. Iconic scent, designer quality, no markups. Iconic scent, designer quality. Iconic scent, designer quality, no markups. I don't know why that, I'm very, okay. Anyways, so yeah, this is how it comes. And it comes with the informational card right here. This is the scent. Very nice packaging. So they have the informational card which tells you the scent. So this one is called the Fougere Bergamot. That's their inspirational version of the Versace Dylan Blue. This is how their bottles look right here. The bottles pretty much all look the same. It comes in this 1.7 ounce 50 milliliter bottle. One of the things I absolutely love about their cologne bottles is the fact that the top is magnetic. So, you know, you kind of, if you could see the magnetism in the bottle. This is really good for, like, you know, if you're carrying the cologne in your backpack, the cologne or perfume. It's really good if you're carrying the cologne or perfume in your backpack or purse or, you know, just any handbag. And you don't have to worry about the top falling off and, you know, spilling or spraying all in your bag. And guys, when I tell you, okay, so these are inspirational fragrances, right? And they smell so close, if not exactly like the original scents. It's like I was telling you the day when I asked my friend what scent was that because it smelled really good. This smells exactly like what I smelled. And usually, because I smell people's cologne all the time just being, you know, out in the world. Very few times do I ever like want to stop and ask the person like, hey, what scent is that? Like, it smells really good. There's only a few scents that would trigger me to be like, hey, what is that you're wearing? It smells really good. This scent, especially the one that they sent me, smells exactly like that. And so, okay, wasn't prepared for that. So yeah. And I like when you spray it, it like, it has a nice big spray. I don't know how to say that. Like, bear with me, it's my first cologne review, so I'm trying to do my best here. I've always said I wanted to expand into other avenues, not just hair, and, you know, I just wanted to kind of go into cologne and clothes, that type of thing. So this is me expanding, so bear with my expansion, people. So yeah, this smells exactly like how I remember smelling it that day. And so the notes in this scent, if you guys, you know, are into notes of colognes. The top notes are bergamot, grapefruit, fig leaf, and the middle notes are geranium, lavender, aquatic accord, and the base notes are tonka bean, patchouli, and ambroxan. Ambroxan or ambroxan, one of the two. I'm really smelling the grapefruit. The grapefruit, and then when it settles, oh, okay, when it settles, yes, I smell all of that. I smell all of these in here. I sure do. And I smell the ambroxan. I smell the, yep, I smell the tonka bean. I sure do smell it. Anyways, I'm smelling these, okay? I don't know exactly what it is I'm smelling, but I'm smelling what I smelled that day that I inquired about the cologne. So let's just leave it at that. So anyway, moving on to the Gucci Guilty now. Gucci Guilty, I purchased, you know, like I said, I purchased Gucci Guilty before. It's one of my most favorite brands. When I tell you this smells exactly like Gucci Guilty, it smells exactly like Gucci Guilty. At least I can't tell the difference. And their inspiration of it is called Fougere Pink Pepper. It smells exactly like Gucci Guilty. Like this literally, this is what I usually buy. The top notes are pink pepper, lemon. Wow, yeah, it is. And neroli. The middle notes are orange blossom, lavender, geranium. I don't know why I keep. So, you know, a lot of similar notes to the Versace Dylan Blue, which is probably why. Listen, look at me coming to a realization. I'm like, which is probably why I love the Versace Dylan Blue scent as well, because the Gucci Guilty and Versace Dylan Blue share some of the same notes, which is what attracts me to the scent. The base notes are amber, the patchouli, and cedarwood. Both of these colognes share some of the same scents, which explains why I love them so much. I gravitate toward the patchouli, the lavenders, the geranium, and then what makes me really love the Gucci Guilty is the pink pepper in it, because I really smell that, and I smell the lemon. Lemon smells really good. So one of the things that this brand really stands behind is that they're cruelty-free, vegan friendly, and they're non-toxic. So you can spray the fragrances from this brand onto your skin and not worry about getting harmful chemicals into your pores. And the fragrances are also sourced from Grasse, France, which is apparently considered the fragrance capital of the world. So that's essentially saying you're getting the best of the best. You're getting same quality that you're getting from these top designer fragrances. Another really good thing about this brand is that their packaging is all 100% recyclable, and it's made from environmentally friendly materials. So this company clearly put a lot of thought and consideration for the environment with not only what they put in their fragrances, but with also how they package them. And probably one of the greatest things about this brand is that you can try their fragrances risk-free. And that means that you can purchase their fragrances, and a lot of the fragrances in the boxes, they'll come with this little small sample bottle. And I had a sample bottle, but I lost it somewhere. I lose a lot of things. But anyways, they come with these little sample vials that you can pretty much try out before you try the big bottle. And if you like the scent, you know, you can keep it. If you don't like the scent, you send back the bottle risk-free, no questions asked, and you get all your money back. And the better thing about that is, even if your box don't come with the small sample spray, you can still try out the big bottle. And if you don't like the scent, you can send it back within the first 30 days and you'll get your money back 100%, no questions asked. And to add more icing to the cake, all of the bottles that are returned to them, they donate to charity. If this isn't the most environmentally humane brand I have seen, you know, and when I say that, I mean all around, just every single aspect of their brand gives back in some way. I don't know what it is, you know, it's incredible. It makes you proud to, you know, use their product. I didn't even mention the pricing yet. So the prices of the fragrances are between $29 and $59. That means you could literally get a designer scent that would normally cost you from anywhere between $100 to $300 for as much as only $59 from Dossier. That's a lot of money being saved right there to smell close, if not exactly like those top designer brands. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I will be doing a giveaway with the help of Dossier, they will be giving out 2 free fragrances to 2 lucky people. Unfortunately, this giveaway is US only. Unfortunately, the fragrances can only be shipped within the US. I'm so sorry for all of my supporters who are outside of the US. I got you in another giveaway. I'm not sure what giveaway, but I got you in another giveaway. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my channel, follow Dossier on Instagram at dossier.perfumes. I'll have their Instagram link in the description below. And then comment under this video what your favorite fragrance is to wear. The winners will be picked at random from the comments, so make sure you do leave a comment in order to officially be entered. But you have to do all 3 of those things to be entered. And you'll have a week to enter, so pretty much next Sunday is when the giveaway will be closed and the winners will be announced. Now, when you leave your comment, if you're comfortable, you can leave your contact information with the comment so that I can reach out to you if you are the winner. Your contact information meaning your Instagram handle or email. If you guys aren't a winner or don't want to wait for the giveaway to end in order to purchase a Dossier fragrance, I do have a discount code in the description below you guys can use to get a percentage off of your order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you come back here next week to see if you're a winner of the giveaway.